Today's top news headlines. Chief Minister strive to make None a top district. State BJP presidents record vehicle meets with accident, 5 hurt. And Omicron possible third wave of COVID-19 gets reward. We are collectively facing a pandemic threat that is sweeping across the humanity beyond oceans and borders. Considering the seriousness of COVID-19, it's about time we step up against this deadly disease. Maintain a safe distance from others, even if they don't appear to be sick. Wear a mask in public, especially indoors or when physical distancing is not possible. Choose open, well-ventilated spaces over closed ones. Clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Get vaccinated when it's your turn. Follow local guidance about vaccination. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. Hello, this is Pony TV giving you the latest English bulletin. I'm Christina. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren Singh has assured that his government will make None a district of Manipur. He was speaking during a one-day political conference of BJP 54 Nungba ST constituency organized by BJP Nungba Mandal at Longmai Command Ground on the None district headquarters, Longmai Tree Village. Besides, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren Singh, BJP Manipur Pradesh President Adhikari Mayum Sarda Devi, Ministers T.H. Biswadit Singh, S. Rajan Singh, Ungzagin Walti, T.H. Satya Brata, and Rajya Sabha MP Maharaja Laisemba Sanazauba and other BJP leaders were present during the conference. Biren was happy over Nungba getting an operation theater now. Apart from building an Imam market at None Bazaar, Nungnang SDO BDO office building, he highlighted that the need to fine-tune the budgetary allocation to help equal development in the hills and valley. None will be met a top district of the state. He assured villagers from Nungba constituency presented colorful dance and songs on the occasion. Several people were also given a warm welcome as they joined the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP. None district administration and None PHC also carried out a COVID-19 vaccination drive. Chief Minister N. Biren also distributed CMHT cards to beneficiaries at the event.
Life change. Tamil 100% over Tamil oxygen plant kin Tamil Imam market amatanate ani ni sari se. Sige change in hangai sahi nipu yang pi kuprai le ruge hebunda. Nasi None da Imam market. None ki Imam market ki yena badu yena nuko. Ay thikada yena le de thikada he ta phuko. Ay koi na order ke karor mari ki Imam singh ye khalle sari se. Karor mari sangba Imam singh da mak None ki Imam market ki wa order pi grabani thuna salo ko. Noi mayam yaur ka thuna salo. Hanna sai na bale ramaga de ba ingona pau biro phar ka jail tham se kara jet.
5 security personnel were injured, one of them critically when an escort vehicle of the BJP Manipur Pradesh President A. Sarda Devi met with an accident in None district on Tuesday. The mishap occurred on the way to None district where Sarda Devi was going to attend a one-day political conference at 54 Nungba constituency. Reports said that under the instruction of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, the critically injured security personnel was airlifted to a hospital in Imphal for better treatment. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said on Tuesday that his government has prepared 30,000 oxygen beds and ramped up oxygen supply and storage facilities in the wake of the threat posed by the new Omicron variant of coronavirus. He also held a review meeting with officials of various government departments to review the preparation to deal with a possible third wave. This time, we have prepared 30,000 oxygen beds. Out of these, 10,000 are ICU beds. There are 6,800 beds under construction that will be ready by February. The Chief Minister said in an online briefing, giving details about the preparation. Kejriwal said the government will be able to provide 100 beds at a 2-week notice. The Delhi government is also ordering 32 kinds of medicines to create a buffer stock of 2 months, he added. The national capital grappled with an oxygen crisis during the second wave in April and May. The Chief Minister said, adding, the government has created an extra storage facility of 442 metric tons of medical oxygen, something that was not there during the previous wave. Mapitel Dam affected Hetman Chief Elder Organization MDAH CEO has called band along Imphal Ukrul Road and Imphal Kamzong Road from December 3rd to 4th to air their voice, speaking to the media at Manipur Press Club in Imphal. Organization Vice Chairman Thanmi Rimai said the road ban is in continuation of the agitation against the Manipur government's failure to distribute economic livelihood rehabilitation packages and compensation to 3,000 families affected by Mapitel Dam. If the government fails to pay heed to the demand, the strike will continue, he said. It is said that on December 4th, 2020, the organization and the Manipur signed a 19-point memorandum of understanding MOU on providing economic livelihood rehabilitation packages and compensation. However, the demand remained unfulfilled till that, Thanmi Rimai said.
Mapitel Dam affected villagers ka government of Manipur ki marakta wari hanaba yanaba laibagi makhada Thabakshi Paikhat Pidabagi Damakta, Haukiva, September Gi, Tang Tarukta, ultimatum pigre, Karishu respond to the Bagi, October Tang Taruk, Amashung Tareta, Imphal Ukrul, Amashung Imphal Kamjong, Numinini Ban Kaukibani, a government of Manipur da, Damgi Ishing Tingali Baship, Hatok Pikro, Hanagi Leramba Matungi Naikoi, Mahosagi Punchida Hinjarage Aina, memorandum submit to Gravani. Ngashi phao sarkana karimta shu respond pi debagi khoina tang ahumga mari December gi tha sida Imphal Ukrul amashung Imphal Kamjong gi lamben chi amuk ban kaugani habise ngashi khoi media gi mayam da pawse amuk mayam pijebani.
Let's take a short break.
Institute of Manipuri Arts Imagi acting classes lakliba December first week tagi hauzaragani. Maramasina Hauzagadoriba classes asida yaubi ningba pambiba singna acting classes ki anoba batch lisinganiga kunmathoi amadi kunnithoi gi form submission tauba yaragani. Akupa marol gi damak Irom Sham Kesor Tera Tomram Laikai amadi contact number 8787458096 asida pau phaubiru.
Welcome after the break. ABVP Manipur University has demanded academic extension of 6 more months for all PhD scholars. Regarding this, a memorandum has been submitted to Vice Chancellor by the student representative of Akhil Bharatiya Vidya Party, Parisat Manipur University. A press release by APVP in charge of the university, Manipur Sarat Chandra Haubijam, said due to some major factors, the students could not utilize the extension time provided earlier. Apart from this, there has been delay in college result declaration. The memorandum also suggested for making an alternative arrangement for students who want to study outside the state. A low-cost toy making Competition was held at the Infal East DC office complex organized by District Program Officer, Infal East Deputy Commissioner KH Dina, Social Welfare Director NG Uttam, and Infal East CMO Dr. L. Indira attended the program. A total of 10 toy stalls participated in the competition. Stall from Kundrakpam constituency secured the first position. Lamlai constituency got the second position, and Kurai constituency got the third position in the competition. A court in Myanmar postponed its verdict on Tuesday in the trial of outstate leader Aung San Suu Kyi to allow testimony from additional witness. The court agreed with a defense motion that is allowed a doctor who had previously been unable to come to court to aid his testimony. A legal official said the verdict would be the first for the 76-year-old Nobel laureate since the army seized power on February 1st, arresting her and blocking her National League for Democracy party from starting a second term in office. She also faced trials on a series of other charges, including corruption that could send her to prison for dozens of years if convicted. Both houses of the parliament were adjourned until 11 a.m. on Wednesday as opposition members continued their protest on the second day of the winter session on a range of issues. Rajya Sabha members from the opposition parties stayed a walkout after the demand to revoke the suspension of 12 NPS was not accepted by Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu. The opposition members then boycotted the day's proceeding. Members of the Congress Party also staged a walkout from the Lok Sabha. In Lok Sabha, disruption by TRS member over petty procurement led to adjournment. Once again, the top news headlines. Chief Minister strive to make None a top district. State BJP presidents accord vehicle meets with accident 5 hurt. And Omicron possible third wave of COVID-19 Kejriwal. Thank you for watching Pony TV English News.